Welcome! If you've ever wanted to quickly find your Instagram highlights from just the past month, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the updated steps to filter your Instagram highlights so you can easily view your most recent memories. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to manage. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look to the top right for the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap on that to open up a list of options. From this menu, select your activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you've done on the app, making it easy to manage your posts, interactions, and more. Scroll down until you see the Content You Shared section. Under this, tap on Highlights. Here, you'll find all the story highlights you've saved to your profile over time. Now, to filter your highlights by date, look for the Filter by Date option. Tap on it, and a calendar or date selection menu will appear. From the available options, choose Past Month. Instagram will now show you only the highlights you've added or shared within the last 30 days. This makes it super simple to revisit recent events, share them again, or just enjoy a trip down memory lane. And that's it. With these quick steps, you can filter your Instagram highlights to see only those from the past month. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to organize their memories, keep their profile fresh, or just focus on what's new. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on how to get the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.